Welcome to this session. This is a demonstration of the integration capabilities between Microsoft CRM and our EPiServer 7. So what we're going to look at today is our CRM connector that we have and what capabilities it will give you. So we got our EPiServer 7 platform installed here, and we're demonstrating using these alloy templates just as an example. What I'm going to do now is to pretend that I'm a customer, and I am going to log in to this customer zone. My name is Jenny Hill. I'm going to log in as Jenny Hill. And this will give me access to the reseller extranet. The reseller extranet is down here, but I'm actually just going to have a look at my profile. What I see here are my details. These details are retrieved from the CRM system. We see my first name, my last name, and the country. Now I'm going to dive into Microsoft CRM. I'm logged into my CRM on this tab, and I'm going to swap to that tab now. Here I can see my contacts that I got in the CRM, and here I can see Jenny Hill. We can open Jenny Hill and look at her profile and see what kind of information we have here. We see the first name, the last name, the email, and the country. So let us now have a look and go back into our EPiServer 7 platform. So what I can do now here is to fill in the title here, and she is the IT director. So we'll add that. And there are no company profile here. And what we can do here is to give her access to create a new company. We can choose to give this access to specific persons or to all people. So what I'll do now here is I chose to create a new company, and I need to enter the new fields, of course. So her company is called Build and Go. Her website and go.com.au. Address is 32 Randler Street in Mascot. Postal code New South Wales, and the country is Australia. So now that I say these details, they're going to go straight to the CRM. Everything is saved, so let's swap to the CRM and see if it's here. So I can go to Jenny Hill and see if we got the title on her that she's an IT director. There we have the title. We can also see that we've done the connector to the parent customer, and that's the company we actually created. That is the parent customer. So we can click that here if you want to. I can do that, and this will open the actual company that we created. We can see the account name, the street, a zip, a country region. This is where the state ended up. We need to do some mapping to another field there. We don't have it's a wrong mapping to the field there, but that's fine. We can easily change that. So this is how easy you can integrate between EPiServer, the EPiServer 7 platform and the Microsoft CRM. What you do, you install the connector, you do some configurations, you do put in the mapping of the fields and some credentials, and this is what you got then. This is of course a bi-directional integration, which means that if I go into Jenny Hill now and change some data, we will also get that into the CMS. So what I can do here as an example, I'll go and change her title and rename her to the CIO instead. I'll do that, and I'll just use save and close. Saved. let's go back to my profile, and I'm still logged in here. Let's see, and we got the changes. Yes, we have the changes. We have the new job title, the CIO. So it works both ways. That was all for this demonstration. Thank you and goodbye.